Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I will be sharing a simple but efficient trick I use for retopologizing my models. Please watch till the end so that your models will not turn into a reto problem. Let's start. Have you ever tried retopologizing your character, but instead of getting this result, you get this result?
No, stop.
So in this video I'll be showing you the trick I use to get this type of result with good topology, at least fairly good topology. Let me check the wireframe. You can see the topology of this model is good, at least it's manageable. So first off, you need to duplicate your iPoly sculpt that you want to retopologize, so that you'll be able to shrink wrap the retopologized one back on the iPoly one, so that to give it the best results. Then you go to select your model back and go to edit mode. You select the head of your character so that we'll be able to separate it from the body for the best results. So after separating the model, we'll take it back to object mode. What we are going to do next is to press N on our keyboard. So I've already opened the quadremesher thingy. Make sure you can tweak the settings to your own taste or to whatever suits you. Here I'm using quad count at 5000, adaptive size 50%, adapt quad count, I turned it on. Quads density, no. Detect hard edges by angle. Symmetry is very essential. So after selecting everything, these are my options. Then you press remesh it. I'll advise you make the quad count of the body 10,000 or higher. You can tweak it to whatever suits you. So both the head and the body have been retopologized now. You can see the details are kept, like at least the details are good. The only thing that is left for us to do is to shade them smooth by pressing spacebar on your keyboard. And searching shade smooth, like object shade smooth, so that you'll be smooth. Search shade smooth. Both objects are already shaded smooth. The next thing we are going to do is to go to modifier and add modifier, subdivision surface, and we're going to add another one, shrink wrap. Then we're going to select this little icon and select the original sculpt, like the iPoly mesh, to add some details. You'll see the change. You can see so many details have been added, and you can see add more by increasing the subdivision surface. Just make sure the subdivision surface modifier is on top of the shrink wrap. So we are going to do the same thing for this one below. We're going to add subdivision surface. So after adding subdivision surface, we are going to add shrink wrap modifier too, and we're going to select the same target we selected for the one at the top. We're going to select it for the one at the bottom. Yeah, so this is not bad at all. Not bad. The next thing we are going to do is to just join the edge with the body. That's it. We are just going to join it, and the model is good to go. As you can see, the head has been joined to the body, so your model is good to go. No need for days of retopology. Well, I'm not saying it's bad to retopologize manually or stuff, but sometimes it's good to retopologize with software with add-ons like quadremesher to speed up your work process, your workflow and everything. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe. It's not easy making this video. Please subscribe. I'll be posting more tutorials. Please stay tuned for future tutorials, and I'll try my best to improve them.
Stay tuned,
because I know this one is. Thank you. Please subscribe.
Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.